Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kum shibenta ban ai ka jing shakri ki Paidbah nong Leit nong wan shiki jaka ki bakit mu ban Leit laka long hajan lani shajingai nakaliang uba donbok lang doling ulas dang ya ka kam kabala ai kerteng ka professional designated driver shillong kaban ai jing shakri ki Paidbah na kabawan shaw yaki ni ki jaka ki baki don bat Leit bu yaki shiki jaka ki bakit mu ban Leit. Hakatika snila pri Paidbah ya katika professional designated driver shillong do menteri ke sarkar jilla uba Alexander lalu heng. Haba keren jikilat pathai kubor uba donbok lang ubadai utrai but chief operation designated driver shillong uliatho ba ya designated driver shillong lapet ngoru dekat tanat pulit pat ki bor sensar district kenang baki nongnya akali ki bala itho kin penti kena baki nong Leit nong wan kin don hapedeng ka jing shingan hakalait kawan nakaliang uba hek ula ai ko belai uba donbok ubalawan ra ya ketika lat kamai kaban yarap yaki samla ha ka yok kam yok jam kam tam lele ha kani ka por ka ba kerdo ka kam ka jam uba donbok lang ula ong bakatai ka designated driver shillong kan penbiang ni kinong nya kali pat kitai kinong nya kali kin Leit shiki jaka ki baki Paidbah ki don
was created a very innovative idea for designated driver Shillong in Shillong. It is first of its kind that is going to happen in our city. So the services today is a big industry. Everybody are looking for any kind of services. If we talk about this kind of services, the driver, we have seen that we are facing a lot of congestions in Shillong. And we have no parking space, number one. Those are the self-driving individual driver. If they go with a family, when they go with the friends, where they will park the vehicle, because there is no specific identified parking space in around the city. It's a very, very difficult, but this idea, I'm telling you, is going to help tremendously, is going to help to everyone. This kind of services. It's a unique idea, I'd like to tell you. Today, if we talk about, for example, so many people are going out for the party, they're going out for dinner, they're going out for anniversary, they're going out for birthday, so many, so on and so forth. Many do want to go without driving their own vehicle, because we don't know the nights when they are coming back. There's so many traffic on the way. So they want to be free. If we have this kind of facilities, this kind of services, they just call. But here, unfortunately, I don't see any free call numbers where they can call you by Dunbar.
Yeah, there is a number specific.
You have to give, right? Because launching today, we have to see also that today only we are launching this very, very designated driver Shillong, very innovative scheme with complete free number, free call numbers. If you have, then you can give me that I can announce also at the same time.
It's not a toll-free number. It's a number that
whatever number you can give me, that we can announce and launch also at the same time.
Right.
So this kind of services which I told you regarding the people are going for different program. Especially at the night time, we don't want to go for driving. They want to be free when they take with a family for any anniversary party out within the Shillong or outskirts of Shillong. They want to be free by themselves. They will just go, sit in the car, driver is already there, designated driver, which is identified and secured with the confirmations of the administration, the confirmation of the police. Everybody has to be secured. The driver has to be secured, the car has to be secured, those who are going to take the car also has to be secured. So this is, I'm telling you, the services is one of the big industries today. It's creating employment. I'm thanking you to you, Badanba. You are creating innovative, not only an innovative idea, but you are creating employment for so many unemployment drivers, those who are around the city. There's no employment for them. I'm sitting in the my office, in the home, in the office of secretariat, I've seen so many people are coming for job. There is very, very difficult to give job for everybody. No government can give job to anybody. We need this kind of people. You need this kind of our friend Madanbok to creating the innovative idea to create more job, more facilities to more that people can at least get their security. So therefore today we are designated driver in Shillong will be immensely benefit for all the people, not only those who are residing in Shillong but also for the people not in Shillong. They can call anytime. You can call in this number 923341541. This is the number they can call anytime. For this kind of services will be providing to all who are required and those who are needed. So thank you very much. Today I am very happy. I am in the Shillong Press Club where I am briefing for beautiful innovative projects which I really like it. But I'm not going here to give any briefing of other apart of this program. Thank you very much. Good night.
So a word on this project, what it is. The entity is designated driver Shillong. And as Paidbah has stated, and as far as I know also, this is the first of its kind here in Shillong at least. I don't know about other places beyond Shillong, but here in Shillong is the first of its kind. I provide drivers. I'm not an aggregator. I am just a service provider, a facilitator you can say. I provide drivers for people who have an urgent need of a stand-in driver. Like I can cite a few examples. Like someone leaves home in a car and goes for shopping, goes to maybe Police Bazaar, parks the car, goes for shopping and takes a fall, hurts the leg, and can't continue to drive. So what do you do in that event? Call some friends, call some relatives who would be free to come over and help out. That would take a little time, and maybe someone who might be free might not be a professional driver. So I am the option. Give me a call, I will send a driver, a professional, vetted driver, and may I add that I have spoken with the SP of East Casiers, and he has consented in spirit that all my drivers, including myself also, would be verified by the police. That is, we'd be undergoing the process of police verification. So whoever wants to use, whoever needs to use our service can do so, knowing fully well that all of us will be vetted by the police. So again, give me a call, I will send a driver across to get you out of any situation where you would not be stuck due to anything that might happen that would make you unable to continue driving. So that's one example. Another example is like I've seen it. Someone, a new driver, maybe gets into a situation, maybe a slight accident, but then panics, can't continue to drive anymore, and maybe staying very far from town. Well, it will take a long time to settle down and get someone to come over and get the vehicle and go back home. So again, give me a call and send a driver across to get that person and the vehicle safely to their destination. Getting the driver to the spot and picking the driver up from the destination, that's my problem. It's not the client's problem. And again, maybe, so in case someone, some lady driver is pregnant and goes into we call it preterm labor, experience labor pains. So instead of risking, instead of taking any risk at all, let's stay put. Give me a call, I'll get a driver across, and whether you want to go to hospital or want to go home, that will be done. And the need of the hour, this is a more critical need I see, is drunken driving at night. So many people do that. That way, I am also guilty of a few indiscretions in my time. But then driving after getting drunk or intoxicated is never a good thing. But all this time we've heard so many accidents happening because of people getting drunk, but necessarily have to drive to get home. So they take chances and drive themselves home, putting the vehicle, putting other people also at risk. So this is an option. This is the option. Like wherever you may be, whatever you may be doing, if you do tend to have one shot too many, don't take chances. Like if you take, if you meet an accident, then like you have to pay for your own vehicle, another person's vehicle, maybe pay for any injuries sustained by yourself or some other people. Do not take that risk. Give me a call, I'll get a professional, a veteran driver to you, and he will see you safely home. It is my problem to pick him up again after he's delivered to your home. My service coordinators to take the calls. So suppose a client calls, the number will get through to my service coordinator, and the service coordinator will obviously ask for some details, like the ID of the person, the driving license of the person, and the registration of their vehicle, to which WhatsApp across. And because everything has to be verified also, because everyone has got to be safe, including my drivers too. So these two documents will be asked for to be WhatsApp, and in the meantime, the service coordinator will get through to my team of drivers, just like they do with Rapido. But since we are still in the process of developing an app for designated driver Shillong, we still have to continue with this call-based service. So we get through to the service coordinator gets through to the team of drivers, and whoever takes that call notifies the service coordinator. Service coordinator in turn calls back the client and informs the client that we have a driver ready for you, he's coming over. Right, and the payment has to be made online then, because once a driver is dispatched, it amounts to an execution of the service request, right? And the client would be liable for full payment of the fees. So the 8 kilometers right now, that is within town limits only. This is the introductory rate. But beyond 8 kilometers, it's going to be like every extra kilometer charged. But at the moment, again, the service is restricted to within Shillong city limits.
Do you think this is affordable to the public?
It would be. So suppose I get drunk. I drive my car and dashes against a wall. I have to pay for my car for the wall. It's going to cost beyond that. If I dash against another car, I have to pay for that car, for my own car, and I have to pay a fine to the police. It's going to be more than 600, more than 6,000.